A true sign of the times. One of the scariest things for any parent to hear is that an active shooter is at their child's school. Well, the pain of losing a child to violence at their hands of someone else or through them taking their own life is just unbearable.
Ohio lawmakers at the State House are proposing something that could prevent both. Our Ohio State House newsroom reporter Jason Aubrey explains.
There is a bill that some lawmakers say will help save lives and make schools safer for your children. Supporters of it testified today. Mark Barden's son, Daniel, was 7 years old on December 14th, 2012.
Daniel was murdered in his first grade classroom at Sandy Hook Elementary School. I will never get used to telling that story or announcing that in any way. The pain that my family has endured is impossible to articulate.
Since that day, Barden has had one goal.
I will dedicate every fiber of my being to moving the ball forward and preventing other families from having to live this pain.
That's why he's working with lawmakers on House Bill 123.
HB 123 would make Ohio the first in the nation to establish a statewide standard for school and student safety programming by giving all middle and high school students access to life-saving trainings.
There would be a variety of programs for schools to choose from, and they must be free. Now, preventing school shooters is only part of what the bill does. It's meant to stop suicides as well.
We're losing people at alarming rates. And sadly, youth are not immune from this issue.
In Ohio, the second leading killer of kids between ages 10 and 19 is suicide.
When someone says that they are going to try to kill themselves, that really isn't just some kind of claim. That's really a cry for help. And we need to take these cries for help seriously.
The programming mandated in the bill is meant to give kids the tools they need to do just that. The bill also creates a system for those who have concerns to report them anonymously. That information will be shared with state agencies and will be kept private. It will not be accessible by the public. Local for you at the State House, Jason Aubrey, NBC4.